Hi there, this is Ryan Malloy here at the Worldwide Center of Mathematics. In this video, we're going to discuss parabolas and effects on coordinates. Let's take a look at the parabola defined by y equals 2x squared plus 4x minus 3. Let's quickly sketch the graph of this parabola. At x equals 0, we can see that y will be negative 3. At x equals 1, we get 2 plus 4 is 6, minus 3 is 3. At x equals 2, we see 2 squared is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, plus another 8 is 16, minus 3 is 13, which will be way above our graph up here somewhere. At x equals negative 1, negative 1 squared is 1, so we have 2, minus 4 is negative 2, minus 3 is negative 5. At negative 2, we get negative 2 squared is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, minus 8 is 0, minus 3 is negative 3. So this tells us that this should probably be the vertex of our parabola. And some quick computation can verify that this is indeed the vertex. But for now, let's just go ahead and connect the points that we've drawn with a smooth curve, just to give ourselves an idea of what the parabola will look like. Now let's say that we're making a substitution here, introducing a new variable. We're letting s equal 2x, for example. What does this do for us? Well, first what we want to do is to solve for x in terms of s, which we can see will be s over 2. Okay, let's try substituting s over 2 into this equation for every instance of x and see what happens. Y equals 2 times something squared plus 4 times something minus 3, where those somethings are s over 2. So we can again rewrite this. S over 2 squared is going to be s squared over 4. Multiply that by 2. We get s over 2. 4 times s over 2 is 2s minus 3. Okay, let's try graphing this and see what happens. So again, we'll start with s equals 0, noting here that this axis is now shared by two variables. At s equals 0, s squared over 2 is 0, 2s is 0, and we get negative 3 again. Let's try s equals 2, see what we get there. 2 squared is 4 over 2 is 2. Plus 4 here is 6, minus 3 is 3. How about negative 2? Negative 2 squared is 4, 4 over 2 is 2. Minus 4 is negative 2, minus 3 is 5. Negative 5, rather. And already we're starting to get a better idea of what's happening once we made the substitution. The point at x equals 0 is fixed, but everything else is being stretched outwards. And if you compute a few more examples, you'll find that this is true for all the other points that we computed. So our new parabola looks like this. And there we have it. My name is Malloy, and we've just discussed parabolas and effects of coordinates.